Hey YouTube, I hope everyone's doing well. It's a semi-rainy day here in Birmingham, but it feels good outside, so I decided to make a little video recording starting outside. So today's video is going to be a video about the makeup vanity that I'm going to put together today. I really like the one that I saw in MUA's videos for the Ikea vanity, except by the time you finish checking out, it comes out to like $274. And I was like, there's gotta be a cheaper alternative than $274 for a vanity. And turns out, after doing some research, some makeup artists actually found all their supplies from Michael's and Lowe's, and you can actually create one for under $100. And I'm all about saving money. So I ordered the 5-drawer letterpress desk. I ordered 2 of them. I ordered them from Michael's. I actually had mine shipped to me because none of the stores around me had any. And depending on when you buy, there's actually a discount code. So different people, different codes. I've seen it between 30, 50, 40% off. I got mine for 30% off. So I'm probably gonna quote this wrong. I think the drawers are $89 a piece before the discount. I was able to get 30% off, so I think I spent like $37 and some change per drawer. Still a lot cheaper than getting it full price. So if you do decide to buy these drawers, make sure you look for the discount. Different discounts are popping up all the time. Again, they go from 30 to 40 to 50%. If you get 50%, you're super lucky. And then I also had to go and buy a board, a multi-purpose board that I can use for the top of the desk. I had to go to Lowe's for that one, so I'll show you guys what I picked up. I watched a bunch of different videos or a bunch of different suggestions, and I just kind of went with what was good for me. So I figured I would just make a little tutorial on how I put my desk together. There's still going to be some things that I'm going to need. I still need a stool. I think I want to put some shelving on the top of the desk. I'll do all that later. I do want to do a do-it-yourself vanity mirror. So that'll probably be in my next video. So you guys enjoy. So I wanted to show you guys the boxes. As you can see, the back box is the second one. I haven't taken it out yet. And I just received it the other day, but this is what it looks like. You can kind of see, this is the exact one I got from Michael's. So this is one that was shipped to me. It was at my front door when I came home, so yay. And this is the board. I couldn't find the one that I kept seeing in the videos, so I ended up getting this melamine multi-purpose shelf, and the reason why I got it was because of that right there. Scratch, stain, water, wear, and resistant. So I was like, okay, perfect. That works great because especially dealing with a lot of makeup, we want to be able to clean this off really well. Now, I might still go buy a plexiglass to put on this just in case, but for now this will work. And as you guys can see, like this one was like way in the back and it still has like a stain on it. I don't know if it was just from shipping, so I'm gonna wash it off. But the ones in the front were like really dirty, like you can see handprints and stuff from like when they loaded it off the trucks. But this will work. So I just wanted to give you guys a preview of what it looks like, and next we'll All right, so after doing a bit of cleaning, we have the finished product. As you can see here, yay. My husband helped me put the board on top. So I'm probably going to glue this board on. I did buy the glue already. So you guys can see it's an industrial strength glue. But I'm not gonna glue it until I move it into my bedroom. But I'm super excited. There's a couple things I've learned about doing this. That particle board chips very easily. The first time you do this, it's a struggle. The second time you do this, it gets a little bit easier. As you can see, my daughter decided to help for the first drawer and my husband helped with the second drawer. It went 20 times faster. Super excited. Even my husband commented saying that this space right here was really small, and I was like, that's just big enough for the stool. I might get some legs or something to raise it up a little high because the desk is a bit low. But overall, not bad for under 100 bucks. I'm super excited to get this put together, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.